Hey y'all, it's Boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous. Today we're doing Cup of Baez. Yes, Baez. Here we go. I kicked my tripod. It burns as it goes down, but the fire doesn't cleanse, it consumes. My heartbeat races faster and faster, driven by something I can't control. I wanted clarity, but all I have are these broken mirrors, reflecting only what I want to see. Why is that? Oh my god. So, that is called multi-faced, according to the spreadsheet. There is just a lot going on here. Which one speaks, also? This one speaks? This one speaks. Okay, Miss Cranky Pants. Well, that makes a lot of sense. Well, that is the Cup of Baez. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.